Boil potatoes with the Maggi cube for 30 minutes. After that, mash them nicely. Add some butter into the potatoes. A little bit more butter. Mash them up. Mash them. Now add the egg. Like that. Add a little potatoes too. Add pepper mix. And mash them some more. Perfect mashed potatoes. Boil hot dogs for 20 minutes. Open them up. Remove the skins from the hot dogs. Like so, carefully. Now serve the potatoes as much as you want. And on top, add any kind of sauce of your choice. Look at that, beautiful from all sides. Let's try it. So yummy. Like, share, and subscribe.